Okay, this is problem 12 from chapter 11 of CFIN7. It's cost of retained earnings and cost of new common equity calculation. So Canyon Eatery's common stock, which is currently selling for $50 per share, has a beta coefficient equal to 0.75. That's irrelevant. Canyon has paid a dividend equal to $6 per share since it's been in business. Expectations are that the same dividend will be paid for. That tells us that the growth rate of the stock is 0. Canyon's investment banker charges 7.7% when new common stock is issued. What is Canyon's? For A is retained earnings, B is cost of new common equity. So for the cost of retained earnings, if we look at the formula, it's D1 divided by P0. So P0 is 50 and D1 is 6, and that's not going to change. So 6 divided by 50 is 12%. So now for the cost of new common equity, we just have to include the multiplying the price by 1 minus F. That gives us the net proceeds for the when we're issuing new stock, because all the rest is going to the investment banker. So 50. So oops. The $6 a dividend divided by, and we'll need a couple. I'm going to parentheses here. So then 50 times 1 minus the quotation cost of 7.7% of the investment banker's fee. We need one more parenthesis there. 13% would be the cost of new common equity.